Very good morning to all my lovely students of grade 5. Welcome in my social studies classes. I am Ojashwini, your teacher of social studies, and today we are also continue with block 10 communication. I hope topic of yesterday was clear to you all, but I am sorry because I upload the video in Schoolia, but by mistake I forget to visible. So sorry for that. माफ़ कर दीजिएगा सब लोग बच्चों. ओके, आज से अच्छे से याद से आपका वीडियो विजिबल हो जाएगा. सो start our today's topic with our aim. But first topic, that is learning plan to reading the paper. Of course, it is about newspaper. And our aim is explain the uses of the newspaper as way to communicate. Did you know न्यूज़पेपर के थ्रू भी हम लोग कम्युनिकेट करते हैं. अब आप बोलोगे ना तो न्यूज़पेपर से आवाज़ आती है ना वो हमें सुन सकता है, तो मैम कम्युनिकेशन कैसा. इन सारे सवालों के जवाब आज की इस वीडियो में आपको मिल जाएंगे. ओके, सो फर्स्ट collect all your resources if you don't have with you, and today's resources are newspaper with an advertisement of any product. I mean, इतना टेंशन मत लो. डेली के न्यूज़पेपर में कई सारे एडवर्टीज़मेंट रहते हैं, है ना. जैसे पैराशूट ऑयल का, मोबाइल्स का, कार्स का या स्कूल्स का. तो कोई भी न्यूज़पेपर उठा लीजिए और उसमें देखिए ढेर सारे एडवर्टीज़मेंट होंगे हर पेज में. कुछ एडवर्टीज़मेंट पिक्चर वाले होते हैं, कुछ होते हैं राइटिंग्स में. राइटिंग्स मतलब उनमें केवल एक मैसेज लिखा हुआ होता है. ओके, एंड एस टू कंटेंट बुक एंड नोटबुक. सो वी ऑल्सो हैव सम मेन वर्ड. These are keywords: news, information, and of course newspaper. So we are going to start our topic, but first, this little cat is reading newspaper. You want to see some advertisement in his paper? Okay. Oh, in his paper there are advertisement of two mobiles. One is very good. One is OnePlus 7 and the second is Realme 3 Pro. Okay, जरा देखते हैं क्या और भी एडवर्टीजमेंट है. ओहो यस हैं. साबुन ब्रीज सोप का एडवर्टीजमेंट अब 3 पर 1 फ्री, और उसके बगल में भी एक बिरला गोल्ड का एडवर्टीजमेंट. इट मीन्स दीज आर एडवर्टीजमेंट. इज इट ओके. सो इसी तरीके के एडवर्टीजमेंट आपको अपने न्यूज़पेपर में देखने हैं. नाउ यू हैव टू आंसर हाउ डज हैविंग दिस इंफॉर्मेशन about this product in the newspaper help us. क्या आपको लगता है कि जो एडवर्टीजमेंट आपने देखे इससे कंपनी को कोई फ़ायदा हो सकता है या इससे हम सबको भी कोई फ़ायदा हो सकता है? क्या फ़ायदा हो सकता है? You know, when a newspaper has news for a message about anything, thousands of people come to know about it, because every morning in most of the houses people are reading newspaper. and they see advertisement also. In this case, when we know about this product from the newspaper, we want to buy it as well. जनरली हमको किसी भी प्रोडक्ट के बारे में कैसे पता चलता है? एडवर्टीजमेंट के थ्रू, चाहे टीवी में देखें, चाहे रेडियो में सुने और चाहे न्यूज़पेपर में देखें. सो गाइस, टुडे we will learn about the newspaper as a way to share information news with others. So do one thing, take your paper and pencil or rough notebook and write 3-4 lines about your school that you would like to see in a newspaper. समझ लीजिए आपको अपने स्कूल का एडवर्टीज़मेंट देना है, तो ज़रा उसके लिए कुछ लाइन लिखिए, बट वो लाइन कमेंट बॉक्स में भी लिखिएगा. आई वॉन्ट टू सी आप अपने स्कूल के एडवर्टीज़मेंट के लिए क्या लिखते हैं. ओके, सो नाउ वी विल डू activity discussion. What you write in your notebooks, take your time, write it, then we will see and discuss. I hope you all have done. So, why did you choose these items about the school for the newspaper? जो भी लिखा है, if we write about our school in a newspaper, many people can read it and know about our school. Like you can see in this image, this is advertisement of PDM Public School. Add some pictures of the school, classrooms, lab, playground, and also write features of the schools. Then, what kind of news and information do we find in a newspaper? Yes, very nice. हो सकता है आप में से कुछ बच्चे भी कभी कभी न्यूज़पेपर पलट लेते हो, बट आपके पेरेंट्स तो डेली पढ़ते होंगे, आपके ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स भी पढ़ते होंगे. तो आखिर वो क्या पढ़ते हैं, कैसी न्यूज़ रहती हैं न्यूज़पेपर में? सो इन न्यूज़पेपर, a newspaper has different kinds of information about things that might have happened in the country or outside, means in foreign countries, or people, or sports, or important events, or music or movies, and many other things are there in the newspaper. You can see, like sports news are there and advertisement of some food. तभी तो पता चलता है हमारे फतेहपुर में ये नया रेस्टोरेंट ओपन हुआ है, वहाँ जाना है, खाना है, नया मॉल ओपन होने वाला है, उसकी ग्रैंड ओपनिंग इस दिन है. इज इट? न्यूज़पेपर से पता चलता है ना. सो हाउ डज न्यूज़पेपर हेल्प इन गिविंग एंड शेयरिंग इंफॉर्मेशन? ये कैसे? सो thousands of copies of a newspaper are published at the same time, which is read by thousands of people. In the morning time, कुछ लोग सुबह नहीं पढ़ पाते तो शाम को आके पढ़ते हैं. People can also tell others about the new products like soap, cars, food, or write their views on different things in a newspaper. Then, how is a newspaper different from a radio or a television? एडवर्टीज़मेंट तो टीवी से भी होता है और रेडियो से भी. सो न्यूज़पेपर डिफरेंट कैसे है? वो ऐसे है, वी आर एबल टू लिसन टू अ रेडियो एज इट हैज़ अ साउंड. देन we are able to see and hear on a television as it has both sound and picture. Then, in a newspaper, we can only read those pictures, not hear any sound. And different newspapers are there like Dainik Jagran, Amar Ujala, No Bharat Times, Hindustan, The Indian, The Hindu, है ना, many more. Now, question of the day. So, what is your question of the day? Look at the picture of an advertisement in a newspaper and choose the correct name of the products. No, no, आपको घर का न्यूज़पेपर नहीं देखना. Yes, your newspaper is here. Now look at the picture and you have to choose the option that which product is there. Also see the name carefully. Now it's time to think, then answer. Is a newspaper always the most useful way to give and share news? Why? Why not? So actually, newspaper are not useful when people are unable to read. आपको पता है? If you are watching the video carefully and also listen it, you can answer all the PQs and also all the questions in your workbook. So, क्या न्यूज़पेपर सबके लिए सही है या न्यूज़पेपर किन के लिए बेकार है? उनके लिए who are unable to read. And when we news is very urgent and needs to be shared with as soon as possible, the newspaper will not be useful as printing takes more time than telling things on a radio or television. So I hope today's topic is clear to you all and you will complete all your writing work very nicely. One more thing guys, from this week you will not get sample answers and on the day of discussion there will be no written answer available on your screen, only oral discussion will be there. So it is better to you that every day you will complete all writing work. Watch video carefully. After that, read the same topic and complete all your writing work. Once again, we will revise the uses of a newspaper. So, first, what we get from the newspaper? About different products. News about different products. News about sports. News about country and foreign countries. It can print thousands of copies together and it is very cheap means of communication also. Like television महंगा आता है, रेडियो भी कुछ तो महंगा आता ही है ना, लेकिन न्यूज़पेपर सबसे चीप मीन्स ऑफ कम्युनिकेशन है. देन न्यूज़पेपर टेल अस अबाउट अदर कंट्रीज ऑल्सो. न्यूज़पेपर शेयर इम्पॉर्टेंट इवेंट्स. So I hope all the uses are clear to you all. Now it's time to your application work. Look, her parents are telling her complete her work nicely. After watching the video and don't waste the time. So first, don't forget to study block 10. Then finish S2 in nice handwriting and with correct answers. Then do PQs 6. Okay. So for today, thank you. Have a nice day. God bless you. We will meet tomorrow again with the next learning plan. So bye.